Whoa! Almost cracked myself in the head. That's funny. Oh yeah! Oh, broke that loose. Good Lord Almighty. She is a tight one. All right. Probably have to do that about 15 other times. Well, 7 more times. Okay, pretty normal. Because my extender is too big. Never had that problem before. Oh, something tells me this cylinder is a bit rusty. So this one's just covered in soot. You know, nothing dirty. Well, that is a dirty plug. It's a little off center too. But all in all, it's you know, just like the last one, just sooty with some good ones. Now, this Marvel Mystery Oil stuff. I can't tell you what's in it, but it's a mystery, nonetheless. What is the deal here? Let's just put this there so it dumps out everywhere. Giving us one. Oh, she is locked up. Oh, she don't want to move. That's fine. That's fine. You'll come unstuck, whether you want to or not. I think what it is that you want to hear. That means it's closed. That means it's open. That means it's closed. Open. Closed. Open. Closed. Open. Closed. Open. Closed, open, closed, open. Huh. That's strange. So those, both of those are making the same sound. This one should be closed sound. I mean, there's a very small deviation in sound, but that's an interesting situation there. This was a look at my heads here. Pretty gnarly looking. There's a 302 stamp in there. There's a B stamp. All right, all right, so it's a couple days later, actually a day later. Yesterday I tried to get the breaker bar on this down here. I wasn't quite aware of the anatomy of these crank pulleys down here, and apparently underneath all of this grime and dried grease and oil, there is a bolt. So I gotta dig this out of here. Yeah? Hey. There's a bolt in there. Earlier I came out here and sprayed some PB blaster up in there. Let's see. That's about the right size. Yeah, I'm using a spark plug to clean it out. You know, it just had the right, tapered end to it to get up in here. Okay. See? Hey, clean as a whistle. It's actually there's a sweetness to the air out here. I think it's this paint curing. But I was anticipating it being kind of chilly out here, which it's not. So letting this thing soak for, oh, come on. No, not that way. Nope. All right, we're gonna put some torquage on it. Take this pulley out there. You know, I don't mind long hair, but my God, some days it just tickles your face a little. Oh, she's locked up tight. All right, we're gonna reposition on this. I think that was a bolt tightening. I've only been wrenching on this thing for like 5 minutes. See, with this one I feel like I have to hold it in place. Oh! Yep. I just broke the end off of this. These are pretty strong too. Well, that's life. That one I'm gonna poke it. Let's see if we can break this other one off. While I'm in here. Yeah, might as well. There we go. Let's do the same movement. Oh! There we go. Busted another one. Oh, there we go. Need more leverage. Oh God. Plan today. I need to soak the interior of this engine with some white vinegar. I need to take off the front of the engine because I need to replace the cam and the lifters. I'm going to end up taking off the heads maybe two. See if we get that far. Tomorrow I'm going to do the floors. It's the weekend. Gotta get stuff done. I got a bunch of code to write today. I have to clean the house. Let me get you a bird's eye view here of this disaster. So you can see here. There's a lot of bad, especially down there. Lots of bad. All right. Okay. White vinegar dissolves rust. Let's just fill those up here, because, you know, I mean, we can't do any worse to the engine. All right, so I've been messing around with this engine, sort of, here and there this week. It's stuck. Like, the lifters are rusted into place. I can see that by looking at the lifter valley. I ordered new cam, new lifters. Okay. Oh yeah, if you're new to the channel, this is Gorilla's Garage. Please don't take anything that I'm doing as like a tutorial or anything to that effect. This is just me working on a car that I really like and having fun with it, I guess. Okay, so you know what? Just for good times, I mean, we can try this one more time, see if it breaks loose. I did try the whole pulling it in gear last night. No, I don't want to break that cam or that crankshaft bolt either. That would be muy mal. Okay, so well, let's just try and do one of them, and then we can go from there. So I need the correct. I think these are 1/2 inch. I'm gonna try. That one's pretty stuck. That one's moving. Huh. Very loose. Let's just try this one. Okay, I need a bigger socket. That'll work. Oh, that's fun. Okay, so this is gonna be how it is. Great day. Great start to the day already. Did I order rods too? Huh. Well, look at that spicy Twizzler. She is nasty. Where's my... Let's see. Let's see if this thing is just... How bad is it? How bad is it? Whew. Is it a surface rust or? Ooh. Yeah, that's gross. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, these rods aren't going back in there. Alright, well, pretty much same order of operations here. I'm just going to loosen these head bolts up. Looks like there's 5 up on top here. Couldn't get it with the impact right away. Oh! Holy Martha. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I think you're... Oh, my God. Oh. God, who torqued these on here? Freaking Hulk Hogan? Oh, what was that? Alright. Okay. Oh. You have got to be joking. Oh. I'm going to rip a rotator cuff. Alright, get this out of the way. Why'd they make the engine bays so long? Oh, come on. Alright. Oh. Oh, I'm pretty sure that was my elbow breaking. Well, this one on the end here is not going to be a treat. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Now, just need to get the impact on those. Hey. I enjoy making the car look nice. I enjoy putting the interior back together and doing the outside work. However, dealing with a engine that looks like it's been sitting at the bottom of the bearing C is just not something I'm a big fan of. Just not. You know, call me a fair weather fan, but just not. I think it is hard. Yeah, okay, let's try and rip my knuckle meat off. Oh, those are easy. All right, let's do this. Oh. Oh. Well, we need new head gaskets anyway. Yes. Oh. Oh. Those heads actually looked halfway decent. Okay. Let's just take that out of there. And muscle this out here. Oh my god. These things are heavy. I'm very curious as to what these are. $302.69 14 E. Oh, okay. I think it's a DOE3 thing, or DOE E. I don't know. Let me get you in here. DOE, something DOE. I don't know. Let's look at this. Is it blown up? No, but that is definitely not good looking. Ooh, look at the rust. Surface rust, but I don't know how deep that's gonna penetrate. Let's get a light on it. I don't know. Hey, maybe a guy could take a dingle ball hone to that. Not quite sure. Alright, I gotta tell you, people, nothing's easy in the in the restoration business. How do I put this in here? Oh, there she goes. All right, so she's down there. Use a good old cherry picker. What in the hell? Wow, they could have cleaned that up at the factory. Nope, that's not. I thought that was slag. Guess not. Okay, well, we got the 69 flavor again. And we got, this thing smells like dog crap. I'm not gonna lie to you about that. Oh, it's the vinegar. Good old vinegar. Well, it looks like we got the same ones on this side, DE or DOOE, something to that effect. These pistons just don't look happy. But who knows? I might get lucky. I'm starting to get the feeling that there's something else going on here that I'm unaware of. Oh, I gave her the juice on that one. I don't think the lifters being stuck has anything to do with the engine. Well, I mean, apart from it just being, you know, stored at the bottom of the lake for the last 20 years. Well, I guess this would be a good time to change out the engine if I was going to do that. And we might end up having to. Not 100% sure yet. So the wheels roll while it's in neutral. So that means the transmission isn't hooked up to the engine. I think it's still just rusted shut, the pistons. Okay, yep, so I'm just gonna clean up my stuff here. We didn't get the engine to turn over. I did find that we had DOOE heads, which I think are good. I have no idea. I'm going to pour some more vinegar and releasing agent stuff into the cylinder heads since they're exposed now. I'm going to research what other causes would make an engine just not move. If it's just rusted cylinders or what, but I got a cam and I got lifters on the way. I'd like to reuse the heads if I can. I think at that point, when I'm getting the heads back on, I'll probably buy an intake, an aluminum one, and a 4-bill carburetor. I also need to get the distributor out if I'm going to put the cam in there. So that's a whole nother thing. So I need white vinegar and WD-40. Maybe some PB Blaster? I don't know. That stuff's expensive. $8 a can? Like, you gotta be kidding me. We're not made of money over here. Probably pick up some bananas. Oh yeah, and then I have a lifter valve extractor tool coming tomorrow. Gotta wash my hands. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I don't know if you made it all the way through the episode or if you click through. Either way, it's fine. I would ask you to please subscribe. Please share with any of your friends that might watch other channels like this. I'm just getting started. I'm just getting started. Okay, give me some time. The first one is always the most difficult, right? Ooh.